Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Microsoft Store error code solved. First method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type Wsreset. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Store Apps. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps and Features. Click Advanced Opt-ins. Click Repair, if same error still exists click Reset. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Recovery. Click Reset PC under Reset this PC. Select Keep My Files, click Cloud Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.